characteristic of the agricultural products. So based on that data is basically I try to create new indicators. So this part is a very technical, very quantitative approach. So using this indicator, then I can basically assess how certain changes in the temperature or in the wind direction or the humidity can directly impact the yield by regression, of course. And it does show that some correlation does happen. These are some of the indicators that I actually made. So there are the heliothermal indicator, the cool night index, humidity index, warm day index, and so on. So just like this one, the heliothermal index is basically, to measure the cumulative heat in cultivation period in the application. Using that, I can forecast the tea productivity. And then I can forecast or I can make selection which land are actually will bring more productivity. Again, this is all from the yield point of view. So I haven't really touched on the quality yet. So this is all yield. Okay, second one. Based on the inherited traditional cultivation knowledge, UGT growers are taking account the natural environmental factors such as climatic conditions, soil types, and other exposure for their cultivation process. In relation to this, to answer your question, these are some of the literature that I picked up. Van Leeuwen and Sigin stated the terroir concept describes the relationship between characteristics of an agricultural product and its geographical origin. So it's basically stating that certain qualities, certain characteristic of a product, agricultural products, can be directly linked to the location, the origin where it comes from. And this relates with the environmental as well as the socio-cultural aspect, which is the traditional knowledge. And human factors such as history, socioeconomic, as well as viticultural and oenological techniques are also a part of the terroir. So terroir concept is linked to the unique biophysical properties of particular area which contribute to the agricultural products. Okay? Then, through the notion of terroir, it can be argued that the special quality of an agricultural product is determined by the character, the place where the product came. So, I sum it up, I put my own definition, which is the terroir concept is the relationship between natural environmental elements and agricultural practice elements, where these elements are directly influencing the characteristic of an agricultural product. Okay, if you Google terroir, it's only just definition. So what I did is actually I made this terroir concept quantifiable. So I put indicator for this definition. So it means it's no longer just a definition, but you can actually quantify it. You can actually know the value of this. So this blue thing becomes terroir automatically, right? So to sum up, that I have been talking all the way. So climate and environmental change. We did microclimatic monitoring measurements that leads to bioclimatic indicators. Then, this came as a new types of knowledge, which is, I call it the explicit transmittable knowledge, because it was implicit inherited, right? And this one is explicit and transmittable. It means everyone can have this. And, using all of this indicator, then I can have indicator to predict the tea quality. Well, hopefully I haven't really touched on it. Productivity, appropriate selection of land, plot, cultivars, cost-effective cultivation and intervention. Which then, in the end, it will help to the climate adaptation and tea cultivation process. Well, this is kind of the whole idea. That's analysis 2 to answer the second this question. Now the third one.